आप कहाँ पे रुके थे आज रात को?
आज रात को ही हम गुंड की मस्जिद में रुके थे सर
जी। कैसी
हमारी बहुत ज्यादा मदद की
जी।
इनके सहारे ही हमने ये इतने तूफान की रात गुजारी है।
नए जीवन दान वाली बात हुई यार।
अच्छा।
वो बहुत ज़्यादा थी जी, गाड़ियाँ सब फंस गई थी, हम लोग जा नहीं पा रहे थे, कुछ सूझ नहीं रहा था। आप लोग भगवान बन के आए, हमारी सेवा करी, हमें आश्रय दिया, हम लोग यहाँ पे सेफ हैं, बिल्कुल आपके कारण सेफ हैं जी, बहुत खुशी हुई।
Season's heaviest snow spill as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned, and for the first time plains across Kashmir got the first taste of snowfall this season. Srinagar, the first snowfall of the season, and heavy snowfall as far as Srinagar is also concerned, with snow accumulation around 6 to 8 inches. But it is South Kashmir which saw bumper snowfall, where in districts like Kulgam, Shopian and Anantnag there was very heavy snowfall. Damal Hanjipura in Kulgam registered there was snow accumulation of around 4 feet. While this is great news for the natives, for the locals who were waiting for the snow spill, because extreme dry, harsh cold conditions were prevalent in Kashmir in the last 1 month, with night temperatures dipping to -7, 8, 9 in Srinagar. That really turned Kashmir into ice, literally, with winter wonderland loading, water bodies like waterfalls, ponds turning into ice. Even the world famous Dal Lake partially turned into an ice ring. So people were in fact waiting for the snowfall, and it has happened at the right time as far as Kashmir tourism is also concerned, because New Year is around the corner, and now people are hoping that this will attract tourists from various parts of the country and the world to Kashmir. But while this was happening, snowfalls also led to problems, and as far as travelers are concerned, they were stuck, they were stranded on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway near Kazigund. Thousands of vehicles, including passenger vehicles, loaded trucks, got stranded, and similar scenes and reports came in from Sonmarg, where near Gund vehicles got stranded. For a change, again, it was more than the administration, the locals who came to the rescue of the tourists, of the people who were stranded, where in Kulgam as well as Sonmarg, people accommodated these stranded people in their homes, in local masjids. They were provided with food, warmth, blankets, and in fact this was in many ways a life-saving job. Now the tourists obviously very touched by this act of humanity as far as locals are concerned, but again, it is a gesture that has kept Kashmir alive. On the other hand, people are criticizing the government because in this day and age of technology, when you have weather predictions, accurate weather predictions, there was no advisory, no arrangements as far as the administration are concerned to ensure that these scenes do not occur, people don't get stranded, and that is something that the government needs to see. What really lacked, and why wasn't the government prepared for such an eventuality? Even while the weather IMD prediction wasn't spot on, they said that there could be snow spell, but there was nothing in the advisory that said that this would be so widespread, and even as far as Srinagar is concerned, this kind of snowfall was not predicted. So obviously rough questions for the government to answer. Why weren't they prepared? Why these scenes occur, and why wasn't an advisory and timely precautionary message given to the travelers so that they could plan accordingly? So government caught napping, caught on the wrong foot as far as this snow spell is concerned, but it's the locals who came to the rescue of these stranded people, providing them timely help and in many ways saving lives.
हाँ जी सर, कहाँ से हो आप?
हाँ जी सर, पंजाब से हैं हम।
पंजाब से। आप कहाँ पे रुके थे आज रात को?
आज रात को ही हम गुंड की मस्जिद में रुके थे सर
जी। कैसी
हमारी बहुत ज्यादा मदद की
जी।
इनके सहारे ही हमने ये इतने तूफान की रात गुजारी है।
नए जीवन दान वाली बात हुई यार।
अच्छा।
वो बहुत ज़्यादा थी जी, गाड़ियाँ सब फंस गई थी, हम लोग जा नहीं पा रहे थे, कुछ सूझ नहीं रहा था। आप लोग भगवान बन के आए, हमारी सेवा करी, हमें आश्रय दिया, हम लोग यहाँ पे सेफ हैं, बिल्कुल आपके कारण सेफ हैं जी, बहुत खुशी हुई। आप जैसे लोग यहाँ पे हैं,
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
तो कोई भी टूरिस्ट को कोई भी नुकसान नहीं हो सकता।
आपकी मैसेज क्या रहेगी उनके लिए?
हाँ जी, मेरा मैसेज ये है, यहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई डर नहीं है, सब लोगों को आना चाहिए सलाह, जन्नत देखनी चाहिए ये जी। कोई
हमारे
दिक्कत
जैसे
नहीं
ही लोग
है,
हैं।
बेफिक्र होके आए। हमने रात में मस्जिद में शेल्टर दिया,
हमारा आगे भी
कोई
सभी को
दिक्कत
यही
नहीं है।
मैसेज जाएगा।
अच्छा जी, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
शुक्रिया।
Camera person Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.